Hi guys and welcome to Ban Tech Tips. Today we are covering another announcement from Computex 2018 and the title is clear that Intel is fooling people with the 28 core 56 threads CPU clocked at 5 gigahertz. We will definitely talk about it, but before we begin the video, please make sure that you check out the videos that I've uploaded for Computex event. You just need to type Tech Tips, hit enter, and you would see the videos that I've uploaded for Computex 2018. Now, let's talk about Intel's 28 core 56 thread monster. So it says that Intel has started teasing a 28 core processor for PCs at Computex this week. And it says that the processor with 28 core running at 5 gigahertz. So it was a single socket processor running at 5 gigahertz on 28 cores. And Intel was demonstrating a Cinnamon score of 7,334, which is extremely impressive. Now, what they did not show was that they were cooling this processor using some chillers. They did not mention a lot of things in the announcement of the processor. So it says that it is 28 core 56 threads. We are sure that it was clocked at 5 gigahertz. Now Intel did not specify if it was LGA 2066 or any other family, and it had 6-channel memory interface. Now if you look at some other articles, so this article is from Tom's Hardware. By the way, this is from Tech Power Up, and this article is from The Verge. So in Tom's Hardware, it is clearly mentioned that they were using chillers to cool down the processor. Intel did not mention that the processor was overclocked to 5 gigahertz, and the stock frequency of the processor is 2.70 gigahertz. So they did not mention the turbo speeds, and they benched it stable at 5 gigahertz according to the articles and the videos that we have checked. Now Intel was definitely using this chiller, and the chiller itself uses 1,000 watt for operation. How would someone buy 1,000 watt power supply just to cool down the processor that they're using? So Intel did not mention that they overclocked a 2.70 gigahertz of processor to 5 gigahertz on all cores, and that they were using chillers to cool down the processor. Intel was definitely fooling people with the 5 gigahertz processor that they said that they would launch this year by the end of quarter 4, and we are unsure of the processor name, family, the generation. We do not have any details about that because Intel did not reveal it. Now when Intel was asked why did they not reveal that the processor was not clocked at 5 gigahertz out of the box, they acknowledged it and simply said the person who was demonstrating the processor forgot to mention that it was overclocked. I mean, how can you miss that? How can you seriously miss that in an event like Computex? And now people are definitely saying that it is similar to Xeon Platinum 8180, and the processor lands with a $10,000 MSRP. Now we are not sure about the processor or any details about it, but we are definitely sure that Intel did not reveal a lot of things which was not acceptable on their part, and they had to mention that they have overclocked the processor. They are fooling people, and let's wait. If they reveal the processor family, the model, and all the details, we will definitely make a follow-up video on this. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.